Hi, my name is Levi, lead AOCS engineer at Reflex Aerospace. AOCS means Attitude and Orbit Control System. In short, it's actually to make sure that the satellite is properly oriented in space and maintains the correct orbit trajectory.
I'm Gabriele. I work as an AOCS engineer. I am building the technological stack of the AOCS team. It means the simulation, the algorithms, the code that runs on the software. On the other end, I have more of a programmatic role to follow the works of the MIRI project, so our second satellite, and be sure that the AOCS subsystem delivers on schedule.
AOCS subsystem is crucial for a satellite success. So we need to make sure that the satellite that we provide to our customer can reliably and very accurately point their payload, for example, to the Earth.
For the sensors suite, there are very cool technologies that are using quantum theories to calculate very accurately different measures that the satellite can then use to calculate its position or its orientation in space. I will be really excited to incorporate these new technologies in the upcoming years for Reflex.